this is the Buckfastercaster I forgot about, or I missed out. This one is number 36. I believe the last one I did was number 37, and I mislabeled it. So here we go. We've got a Telecaster. I've reshaped the head from something horrible to be sort of like a tele. Was what I had to work with. It's just kind of alright, kind of meh. Not going to take a long time to describe the wiring. Basically, I put a hotrails in the neck, and that's really it. I just didn't feel it really needed any more of that, so it's got your bridge pickup. For a good old Telecaster sound. Neck pickup. And then both pickups are at the same time. Joyo US Dream pedal, I'm playing through the Laney VC15. Fast pedal. Twin note fast pedal bridge picker. Yeah, so due to basically the way a Telecaster's built, see, so I put the pickups in. I've got the extra wires running in here if I wanted to do coil splitting or something like that. But I got to build the guitar, and then because everyone's building the back of the deck plate, I was like, right, well, I'll see what wiring it needs later on. I was thinking of maybe putting a coil split on it, but really, it doesn't need it. It's a really good mix between like the sort of. I always think the neck pickup in a tele's a bit weak, so this is just kind of like a little bit fatter. But when you get the bridge pickup, it just they seem to be really well matched, so I didn't bother changing them. Or even both. Best of both worlds, so you got 3 pure awesome sounds. Never really bothered doing anything else. so this guitar is actually turned out pretty good. Good, solid. I mean, if you don't have a tele, you want a Bucky tele. I think this might be. There's certainly not very many Bucky teles. I think there's been one before. I think this might be number 2. And the tele thing, because teles are hard to get. And also, I really like teles. I mean, I keep. Eventually, I'm going to end up keeping one of these. It's like one of them won't sell. I'll just keep it. I mean, I could gig this, no problem at all. It's really, it was in really good condition, this guitar. Basically never played. I think it's maybe 10 years old or something like that, but you know, it's one of those ones that was bought with a wee amp and a gig bag and stuff, and the girl said she tried it for a couple of weeks, and then kind of basically went in the case, and then it sat there for years. So there's no fret wear, there's no dents in the body or anything like that on the neck. It's all absolutely pretty much really good condition. There's a couple of chips that I just painted over on the body, but yeah, so everything you really want for my tele. It's got the 6 intonation saddles, so it can't. I suppose you could make it like a real tele by making some of them out. You know, a tele's normally got 3 saddles, so you can never really intune the middle 2 strings. You kind of have to make the D string a bit flat and the G string a bit sharp. That's just one of the things about a tele, so this doesn't have that. The bridge is a top loader, so it doesn't go through the back like other teles do. It's not that easy to swap over the bridges either. Well, you might actually get away with it in this one because it doesn't have the string through. If you wanted the ashtray bridge, but if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Is my looking at it. So I just basically ended up with a good solid Telecaster. I do like a Telecaster. And I wasn't sure whether this pickup would be any good in the bridge, but that's what I want for a tele pickup. I really love that wee horrible fuzz pedal, the Delamo one. It's really broken sounding, eh? Right, I'm going to stop playing this so I can forget about it again, and then I'll sell it rather than actually keeping it. So Buckfastercaster number 36. I'm not sure what's happening with this. I'll need to offer it to Tony in Blitzkrieg Shop, see if he wants it. I know he doesn't have a Telecaster, so that might be the place, or maybe message me or something. I don't know, not decided yet. Rock on!